Hey everybody, it has been 3 weeks since I posted a video. I have a good excuse. I got a call from the Millwrights Union and I got a job on May 7th for TOPS. They are Turbine Overhaul Performance Specialists. They travel all over the world, and I was in San Jose, about 30 minutes away, at a power plant, and here's some footage. So basically the turbine has blades in there. It is just that one section that we were doing at the time. Sometimes they do the whole section. When I came in the door in the beginning, that whole section, it would be like a 2 or 3 week project. Basically the half circle, when they put the half circle on, there was a piece of dummy, a blue one. The chain falls, they were turning it so that would get the blue dummy piece out, and then it would be, at the same time they're setting the half piece, they're taking the dummy piece out, putting the other half.
So you can catch it, take off. Don't put nanny on the slip. Long around one. Yeah, it's long. What about the nut with the eyeballs on it? Or if we got the 1 inch. Yes, please.
Rolling of the blade ring.
That's how they do it in California.
Yep.
There's say about you, but it like no matter.
Stop moving.
Yeah.
far? You're off?
Yeah, I need to come down on my side.
The jack underneath, I was under there and I had a bar about this big. It was heavy. And I was pumping on that thing. And James says, get everything you got. I put all my weight into it. He says, give it everything you got and then 3 more. And I'm like, and what that is the turbine is like this. And the piece was going on, well, it goes in against these other 2 pieces that are already there. So prying up in the middle might open it up like just a little bit, enough so that when the cap goes on, the piece, the final piece, it might not bind as much.
Alright, James, you remember that little deal?
Good over here.
Alright, coming down.
All right.
You need to come
On this side? I just got to say, these guys were a great bunch of guys, very, very hardworking guys, very professional. The actual call from the union was on Friday. They said, hey, you're on the list, the out-of-work list. We have 2 crews, day and night, doing turbine. Which one do you want, days or nights? And I go, well, I've never done this before, so I'm not sure, what do you think? And he says, oh, you know what? You're a carpenter. All right, well, we want someone, they requested someone that has done this before and has turbine experience and is a millwright by trade. Okay, all right, no big deal. Then on Tuesday, they called me for the Wednesday job, same job, but 2 millwrights that they hired, they got laid off on the first day that they got hired. They didn't cut it. So I made it the whole 7 days. I busted my ass. It didn't look like it. I'm trying to film like this, but I was on standby, climbing inside, climbing underneath, climbing on top. All those bolts that you see that the night crew installed, the first day I was there, I was taking those bolts off. They're like this big, 2 7/8 diameter. Huge nut on the top and bottom. Some of them with that huge impact, they wouldn't come off. And there was a couple guys heating it up with the rosebud torch until it was red hot. The bolt nut and the bolt was red hot to loosen it, expand it a little bit to get it off, and then the impact. So very heavy work. There was some talk at a safety meeting about a rattlesnake. There were 2 rattlesnakes on site, and then somebody said, oh my God, anything but snakes, right? So what they do is they put them outside the fence. And here, just a couple days ago, I was hiking and I saw a rattlesnake. Thought of you. I did get it on video. That'll be coming up soon. Once again, great bunch of guys. Thank you for the work. You got my number. Be safe. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. God bless. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. And now some clips of our next show and possibly some bloopers. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless. 2 at a time. You only one. What happened? Oh, this guy strung. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. What happened? That one log, the flames went out and it started smoking a little bit, so I put some long logs and some paper, and it's just smoking. I thought it would ignite. Hey, this is getting the bugs away though.